Alright guys, welcome to my channel. I'm really proud because today we're gonna be unboxing the GeForce 1490. Today is Saturday 27th of July of 2024, and as you guys know, this GPU is like the strongest that we have in the market today. The one that we have here today is the Asus ROG Strix Gaming. So I think it's it's the most expensive one from the market. Well, according to the research that I did, it seems that it is expensive because the quality of the components of the board, it's better. That's what I heard about it. So let me show you the box first. So it's a beautiful box. You can see here, like we have the picture of the board, which it seems that we have some RGB at the edge. It's 24 gig of RAM, GDDR6, which might be very fast. It offers auto sync as well, which probably is to sync with the other RGB components that you're gonna have in your board. So on the back side, we also have some information about the board, about the cooling, about the GPU, and the components as well. Yep, so let's dig into it. By the way, guys, that's a heavy box, okay? When you carry like that, you feel that there is some weight here. Maybe 5 kilos, 7 kilos, something like that. Okay. There is the eye of Asus, which is the one that they use for all his gaming product. We do have this ROG Strix as well, here at the bottom of the box. Okay, so let's have a look here. Now let me see, how do we do that? Okay, so that's how we open. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. Oh man, look at the size of that beast, guys. It's big. It is very big. Let's take it off from the box. Oh man, look at the size of that. There we go. Alright, so here we have the board. So let me put that here for now. Yep, there we go. So guys, that's the GPU. So that's the GPU. Right, so let's open this bad boy. Here, put like that. Yep, there we go. Guys, it's big, it's heavy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, like this. Wow, man. Look at that. Look at that. It's huge. So it's huge, it's heavy. It has 3 fans, 3 big fans. Maybe this is 140 or 120 millimeters. I don't know. It's fully covered with plastic, so we have to take that off. On the other side, we have this is the GPU itself. So that's pretty much what makes the magic. And yeah, we have a lot of plastic around. So let's take the front side. We have like I think it's 1, 2, 3 display port along with 2 HDMIs, right? So at the top here we have the connection to plug the power source right? What else? We do have more connections here for power source as well, okay? And you can see here, all around here, it's all for the RGB thing. So I would say that these GPU turning on, it might be really beautiful to see. Mainly when you sync that with your other RGB that you have in your computer, it might be awesome to see that on. But one thing is, like, guys, the one thing that I didn't talk about it, we are gonna do some water cooling here, right? So we do have some other boxes to open, and I'm gonna be doing the water cooling, right? So the link is gonna be at the corner. So if you wanna watch it, just click in that, and you're gonna jump straight away for the video where we're gonna do water cooling for the 4090. Okay, so let me have a look at this bad boy. Okay guys, so as you can see, like you do have a huge layer of just for the cooling. It's air cooling, of course, because you do have the fans here at the top, right? And you see that the board itself is just this layer here down. So pretty much the whole weight of the GPU of the card is sit on the cooler system. But like the board itself, where you have all the electronic stuff, is just this layer here down. All right, so let's take it off the plastics. Okay, so I don't know where to start, to be fair. Okay, so come here. I think it pretty much starts like this. Yeah. Man, satisfaction level 1000. And and again. Perfect. Okay, let's see what else we have here. We have something here at the back. So if you come here like this. Actually, I need to find an edge. There is an edge here somewhere. Oh, maybe there is one here. Oh yeah, there is one just here. I'll bring that up. Ooh, there is more. Yep, there we go. Guys, it's amazing, I have to tell you. I do have a computer which has a RTX 3080, and it's already very big, you know. It's not that heavy, it's air cooling, it's not water cooling, it's air cooling. And but it's not beautiful like this one, not at all. I think this card is a state of art, I would say. It's Asus. They say it's the most powerful card from the market, and I have to tell you, it's quite intimidating if you compare with the RTX 3080. Which, by the way, the RTX 3080 already gives a lot of good resolution, but I want to go high. You know, I want to go to the game and manage to set up everything ultra high. You know, then I have the awesome quality that the games can give to me. I like to play rally cars, rally games, by the way. So there is the Dirt 2.0 that some of you guys might know about it, and that's where we're going to be pretty much running, mostly running games through this card here. It's going to be the Dirt 2.0. Let's have a look. It's beautiful, isn't it? And then we have the front as well with the inputs. We have here at the top as well the GeForce RTX. We have here the back with the RGB lights, and of course this side of the board. Let's see what else we have in the box. So for now, I'm going to just lay the card here. Let's see what else we have in the box. This guy we can put down here. And let's see what else we have. So if we look, we do have here on the cover, it looks like a small box, right? So let's open that. Let's see what we have here. And there we go, some accessories, right? So we do have what looks like a sticker, okay? Or maybe that's just for cabling management. Oh, we do have here some cords as well. Probably this to connect to the PSU. So we do have like a several. Let me open that. Yep. So we do have like a several connectors. Yep. What else we have here? Yeah, I think it's pretty much everything. It seems that we have something else here. Let me see if we can. Oh yeah, we do. I think that's the menu. Oh no, hang on, there is something else here. I have no idea what is that. Guys, help me here, what is that? I don't know what is that. What is that? Can you see that? Yeah, I don't know what is that, to be fair. I don't know, I'll leave that here for now. And then last we have the menu. Let me see if I can take that off from here. There we go. Oh, we do have some stickers, of course. Awesome stickers. We do have a lot of stuff, to be fair. Look, cool, isn't it? And what else we have? We have a card, which I have no idea what is that. The Search of the Incredible. Oh, we have the menu as well. Okay. All right, so that's the 2. This is a 2. Okay, so this is to. Let me see. So if I do like this and then I do like that. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. Yeah, there we go. This is a 2. Okay, so maybe just screw and unscrew the card if you need. Yep, that's really cool. Right, so we have some instructions here. We have some more stuff from the board itself. What is that? Okay, this is showing how to connect your board to the PSU. Okay, and last we have the full quick start guide. So it's pretty much showing how to connect your board to your motherboard and how to connect the PSU on that. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Yep. Thanks guys, if you like this video please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.